Hi everyone, welcome to Tech with Eunice. In today's video, I'll be showing you the content calendar. Hi everyone, welcome to Tech with Eunice. In today's video, I'll be showing you the content calendar website I built with Google Gemini AI and both AI Builder. So this is what the interface of my website look like. You see FinSmart Academy 2026 content and idea generator. So this is what this is day one, day two, this is day three, that's today. So let me click on it. So if I want to, when I was writing the prompt for the website, I included it in the prompt that I want to be posting on income, spending, saving, investing, borrowing, protection. That's all on personal finance, right? So if I click on a topic I want to post, let's say I click on income, right? So I can either enter my post title or I will use Magic Suggest. So this Magic Suggest now will give you variety of topics under income that you can post on. So now under income, I use Magic Suggest. He said how to ask for a raise and get it, right? Another one, building multiple income stream in 2026. That one, side hustle that actually makes money, like that. Passive income ideas for beginner. So if I come here, if I've made the post, the whole essence of this website is to help me track my posting for 2026 and make sure that I'm not repeating content. So if I tick this place, mark it as complete now, it's going to show complete. That means I've posted it. When I was writing the prompt, I included I want to be posting twice a day. So let's say I added another one and I click on the topic borrowing, right? I use Magic Suggest, right? See, it has already suggested a topic. Another one, student loan. Another one, credit card debt, my payoff journey, right? How to improve your credit score fast. So if you are someone that wants to track what you post on social media and you want to be consistent with your posting, I think this website is for you and it's easy to make. I make the two AI I use, they are both free. So let me, if I've not posted this on my Facebook or my LinkedIn, right? I won't mark it as complete. I will just say add post. So here now is showing that I've not made the post, right? So let's say when I finally make the post, I will just come here, mark complete, and then I will update. So that's that. So when I generated the prompt, since I'll be posting 2 times in a day for 365 days, that's times 2. So that's all. I have about 700 and I don't know, 700 and something posts already, right? So this is January, once February, March, like that till December, right? So the good part is when maybe at every month you want to track how you have been posting and how you have been consistent with your posting. This is what you do. You export the file here, you export it to, right? So it has downloaded already. When you open it, it's going to take you to your Excel workbook, right? Now see this, see the magic. It tells me the date I made a particular post, the title, the category, right? The status. Did I complete it? Did I not complete it? Now, as a data analyst, right, you already have a data you can use for your analysis. I don't know if you like this. So I made this simple website, right? I went to my Google Gemini. I went there, I wrote the prompt for it by coding ideas for data analyst. So this is after writing the code and everything, right? Build a 2026 personal finance content engine web app using React. This is the prompt. So after everything, you copy your prompt and then you go to both AI builder, you click, you post your prompt here, and you click on build now. That is it. Then if you have any correction you want to make, you go back to your prompt and make it, and you come back. Now, the only thing you need to get right is to get your prompt right, because it's what you give it that it will give you back. Once your prompt is right, you have a good website. So when you finish, you click on publish, you copy the link, right? So this is the one I did. You click on this, where you click on publish when you are done. So I already published mine. This is the link for my own. So when you click the link, yeah, when you click the link, it will bring you to this place. You can also copy the link out from that place and save it, so that anytime you want to view it, you will come there. Now, this is another interesting part, right? Okay, the total post I'll be making this year is 730, and I've made three out of it, right? This is my streak. This is the total post I've made. The total post I've made. This is the pillar balance, right? And look at it. That means I've posted on income. I've posted choose two topics from income, while on spending and investing, I've posted just one, right? So this is the analytics. That's that about my content calendar website. Bye. Let me know if you'll be trying this out.